This is Priyadharshini, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic greedy method, or we can say it is greedy algorithm. So let's see what is greedy algorithm. So a greedy algorithm is a type of optimization algorithm that makes locally optimal choices at each step with the goal of finding a globally optimal solution. It operates on the principle of taking the best option now without considering the long-term sequences. So the first steps in a greedy algorithm could be define the problem. So first we have to clearly state the problem to be solved and the objective to be optimized. Then the next step would be to identify the feasible greedy choice. So determine the locally optimal choice at each step based on the current state. Make the greediest choice. Select the greedy choice and update the current state. The next thing would be repeat. You have to repeat continually making greedy choices until the solution is reached. So here in greedy algorithm we have many applications, and there are many advantages and disadvantages also. Let's start. So as told earlier, greedy algorithms are simple and straightforward algorithm. So they are short-sighted in their approach. A greedy algorithm is similar to a dynamic programming algorithm, but the difference is that the solutions to the subproblem do not have to know at each stage. It is used to solve the optimization problem. So let's see the optimization problem. An optimization problem is one in which you want to find not just a solution but the best solution. A greedy algorithm sometimes works well for optimization problems. A greedy algorithm works in phases, or you can call it as stages. At each stage or each phase, you take the best one you get right now without regard for future consequences. We hope that by choosing a local optimum at each step, you will end up at a global optimum. Let's see the characteristics and the features. To construct the solution in an optimal way is the first characteristic. We have to maintain the algorithm in two sets. One contains the chosen item, the other one contains the rejected items. The third one would be the greedy algorithm. We make local choices in the hope that they result in an optimal solution and the feasible solutions of information. Let's see the greedy property. The greedy property is of two types. First one is greedy choice property and the other one is optimal substructure. So what is greedy choice property? So greedy choice property, it says that a globally optimal solution can be arrived at by making a locally optimal choice. Next property is optimal substructure. An optimal global solution contains the optimal solutions of all its subproblems. Let's see what is the greedy approach. So the greedy algorithm works by making the decisions that seems most promising at any moment. It never reconsiders the decision whatever the situation that may arise later. As an example, consider the problem of making change. The coins available are 100, 25, 10, 15, 5, 1, etc. So first, what is the problem? So we have to make a change of a given amount using the smallest possible number of coins. So for this, the solution could be the coin is selected using greedy criterion. At each stage, it increases the total amount of change constructed as much as possible. And then to assure feasibility, that is, the change given exactly equals the desired amount of the solution. So the advantages, they are very easier to implement, they require much less computing resources, they are much faster to execute. Greedy algorithms are used to solve optimization problems. The disadvantages of the greedy algorithm is, their only disadvantage being that they are not always the global optimum solution. On the other hand, even when the global optimum solution is not reached most of the times, the reached suboptimal solution is a very good solution. So the examples of greedy algorithm may include, as we all know, the greedy algorithm can be solved using Kruskal's knapsack problem can be solved, Prim's algorithm, minimum spanning tree, traveling salesman, coin changing problem. These are the applications, or we can say the examples of greedy algorithm. So thank you.